So I think the rickshaw would take around 7 minutes to reach to my place, and I'll be just moving fast because people are staring.
Never let me back. They told me that I was
Anna, Munodi Temple Road? Munodi Temple Road. Anna, how much? Munodi Temple Road. How much? 80 rupees. Funky. Yeah. 100 rupees. Okay. Bhaiya, I'm standing here. There is a dog I can see. Funky art. Should I come inside? Funky Art Beach House, it's written. Okay. Oh, hi. Nice. You're going right now?
No, I went.
Oh, okay.
I want to go again because he just called me and just back.
Oh, okay.
They told me that I always had to be good. But being good always been problems, it's true.
Hey guys, so it's my first day in Alleppey here, and today I'm going for a Shikara ride, and I have Bhaiya with me.
Hi.
And also Liz.
Hello.
It's going to be a very fun.
Being good always been problems, it's true.
So we are finally at the place where the boats are available. This boat is called what? A Shikara. I don't know why it's called a Shikara though. Now you will be taking us?
Huh?
You will be taking us?
Yes.
Okay.
Your name?
My name is Kriti.
Christy.
Kriti. Yeah. Finally in the Shikara boat, inside it, and I'll show you how it is. It's like a normal canoeing boat, but so Anna, why is this called a Shikara?
Shikara.
Yeah, Shikara. Why? The name?
My name?
No, the boat. Shikara. Why is it called? Huh? Oh. Okay.
It's a parking area. Oh. This is parking area channel. I see. Parking area. This boat is slow. It's like a speed.
They told me that I always had to be good. But being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
So this is Kerala. Oh, KSRTC. So all the jeeps and ferries, they start from here?
This is like the government.
Yeah. What is this, Anna? Temple.
Side.
Village area. Village area.
What is
Yeah.
he saying?
This
that
side?
is?
Okay, this
What is it?
What is this side?
side houseboat area. Houseboat
Houseboat
parking area.
area. Okay.
Houseboat parking area.
And this
Okay,
is the village area.
Yeah, village. We'll go to the village.
Village, yeah.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Man, I'm crazy, but I'm wrong.
So, we are on the Shikara and there are multiple viewpoints that come in between while riding the boat. And right now we are heading towards the village. So now that we are in the middle of the backwater, it has started smelling really fresh, and I wish I could live like these people up here by the side of the water, just living like that. Hello.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always be
Anna, do you think we can swim in this water? We can swim. No? Not allowed. Yeah.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
So, I guess we are in the village already, and this is like more inside the village because village तो पहले भी था, but ये proper backwater है, which I can see behind me. And I tell you guys, I had never imagined I would be here. Like, of course I had imagined, but never really thought that it would be possible, and I'm really so happy right now that I finally made it here. And this place is amazing. It's amazing. So we are here, and this is the rice field.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always be problems.
It's actually sad because our Anna, our boat driver, he doesn't know much of Hindi and English, or we are unable to understand whatever he's speaking.
So we're gonna try Google Translate. I don't know how that's gonna work, but
Yeah,
let's
we
see.
gotta try.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like rice field, right?
Wow, this is so beautiful. Is it for pictures?
So we are in the middle of the backwaters now, and you can see it's all around. People use it for film shooting apparently, so maybe click some pictures and then move out. So it's like a 5-minute stop there. Straight. In that place there, we're gonna stop. And this is very embarrassing, but I guess because I have Liz with me, I am not really afraid to speak on camera anymore, or maybe I'm just getting used to it.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
This place does look romantic, right?
It does.
Yeah, so they must be using it for shooting and all.
Where did we take pictures?
So Anna, where are we going now?
Going to the Kainari.
Ka-
Kainari.
Kainari. From where we came?
Alleppey.
Alleppey. But food?
Alleppey starting point.
Okay. And what about food? Food.
Other side. 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes.
That always had to be good. But being
So we are starving because I did not have dinner in the morning. We'll go somewhere to have food. And this entire trip is for like, we booked it for 3 hours. It is costing both of us 1500. So it's like 750 each, 500 for an hour. I think it's a pretty decent deal, I guess. Yeah, so we'll be moving for the food now. So we are at the place where we are gonna have the breakfast and yeah.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not
We are going back to our town from where we started. In the same place or some other? It's other place, right?
I'm not sure. I hope it's similar because then we can go to us.
that always had
Okay,
to
so
be good.
the food here was not really great, and given that I'm very choosy, I could not eat much. Mostly it was non-vegetarian, so I took one picture. You can see on the side, but yeah. Hopefully, Liz is mentioning that we'll be going back in the town and having some burgers or something like that. There are cafes. So yeah, let's see. So guys, we are at the market, the main market of Alleppey, waiting for Bhaiya to pay him cash, and then we'll go have some food and probably go to some store for buying a good Malayali sari, and probably I'll be visiting the temple. I don't know if Liz will be available or not. So
But I'm around, baby, it's true. Yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
So this is like the main market of Alleppey. We are heading towards the temple, Mulakali temple, Mulakali Raja temple, and we have a lot of restaurants in that area, so maybe we'll be getting food from there itself. And from there, I think that would be all for today. So yeah. Bye. So we are finally at Sarvana Bhavan.
God, this is all looking amazing.
Yeah, you guys won't believe we did not find a single idli dosa or anything. being in South India from where it has originated. So finally at Sarvana Bhavan to eat.
They told me that I always had to be good. But being could always be problems. It's
So
true.
the sitting arrangement is outside. We're not allowed to sit in the restaurant, and I'm very very happy that finally I'm getting something to eat. Finally, the dosa here is very different. So it's a second day in Alleppey, and just look at these waves. They're having a great time here. I'm going for a cycle ride right now, and probably into the main market. I don't know how that would turn out to be. I have never done that before, but yeah.
They told me that I always had to be good. But being could always be problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Man, I'm crazy, but I'm the wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.